been waiting for my blue yarn to arrive because this is my current project that I have been urging to finish it. This is a Jellycat inspired Sky Dragon. I saw people crochet their own dragon and I really wanted to make one myself, and this is the result after one ball of yarn. I hope that these 2 balls of blue yarn is enough for me to finish my dragon. I'm almost at the end of the body. I'm left with the tail, so that I think 2 balls of blue yarn is more than enough. So this fuzzy yarn is kinda hard to crochet at the beginning because I'm still a beginner in crochet and it's really hard to see the stitches using this kind of yarn. But after some practice, I finally found a trick on how to crochet using this yarn, and the trick is to use a similar color yarn under it. You can't really tell, but there's 2 yarn over here. The trick is to use a big hook for this kind of fuzzy yarn. The benefits of using this large hook is that you can feel the hole of each stitch. It's very easy to tell where the stitch is just by feeling. Last tip that helps me in crochet is that I put stitch marker onto the last and the first stitch of every round. The reason why I put 2 stitch marker instead of 1 is because if I only have 1 stitch marker right over here, I tend to forget, is this my last stitch or my first stitch? And gets really confusing sometimes because I forget it, and so instead of 1, I choose to put 2 instead, so that I know it's the beginning of a new round and it's the end of my round, like this. I hope these little tips help in anyone who want to crochet using this kind of yarn. Let's continue crochet my Sky Dragon. ice buttercream chocolata.
ชื่อ Salted Caramel Frappe
来个表，这个有巧克力味。我觉得两个都 OK。
两个都 OK。
可是我 prefer 巧克力。
prefer 冷的就可以了。
My crochet dragon is finally done. To be honest, I'm very proud that it turns out better than I've imagined. I sewed the details on with a blue yarn. Does it look cute? Little wings and the rainbow spike on the back. It's very cute. And this is the other dragon, Earth Dragon. I got the black eyes for this one instead of sewing on the eyes detail. Which one is cuter? I think I love both of it, but I prefer this dragon that is made with the fuzzy yarn because it is softer to hug. This dragon is on the harder side. Let me know which one do you like better in the comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.